This isn't just a car, it's a roar you feel in your chest, a legend you can drive, and a muscle car that commands respect. The second it fires up, meet the 1970 Dodge Coronet R/T440, the ultimate American powerhouse. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly special that will make any muscle car enthusiast's heart skip a beat. The 1970 Dodge Coronet R/T440. This isn't just any Mopar. This is a machine that perfectly captures the raw power, aggressive styling, and pure American muscle of the golden era. And trust me, by the time we're done, you're going to want one of these in your garage. Now, let's start with what makes this Coronet R/T absolutely roar. Under the hood lies the legendary 440 cubic inch V8. This is one of Mopar's big block monsters, a true powerhouse from the era when horsepower ruled the streets. Every rev of this engine is a visceral reminder of why the late 60s and early 70s were the golden years for American muscle. And paired with the A727 Torqueflite 3-speed automatic transmission, you get the perfect balance of smooth, effortless shifts and raw, unstoppable torque. To make sure this engine performs as aggressively as it looks, this build features an Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor. That combination gives it a sharp, precise throttle response and an unmistakable roar that will turn heads from a mile away. Mopar fans know the sound, the deep growl, the high-performance bark that commands attention before the car even hits the accelerator. Power flows to the 8 3/4 rear end, a proven rear axle setup built to handle serious horsepower without breaking a sweat. And when it comes to handling, the Coronet R/T doesn't disappoint. Up front, you've got independent suspension with torsion bars giving you responsive steering and stability, while the leaf spring rear suspension keeps that authentic, classic muscle car feel. And let's not forget the dual exhaust with Thrush mufflers, giving this beast that deep melodic growl that you only get from true American muscle. Styling on the 1970 Coronet R/T is bold, aggressive, and timeless. The Go Mango Orange paint pops in any sunlight, perfectly complemented by black racing stripes that scream speed and attitude. The black vinyl top adds a touch of class, while the functional hood scoops hint at the raw power lying beneath. Every angle of this car demands attention. It's a visual statement that combines muscle with iconic design. Rolling on 17-inch Mag 500 style aluminum wheels and wrapped in 250 550 ZR17 front and 275 5017 rear tires, this Coronet R/T sits perfectly, blending vintage authenticity with a slightly modern stance that makes it ready for both shows and the open road. It's aggressive, it's planted, and it's ready to perform. Step inside and the interior continues to impress. The brown and dark brown bucket seats are classic, comfortable, and perfectly preserved. A wood grain console and center console with floor shifter put the driver in control, while power steering makes handling effortless despite the car's muscle car bravado. And for a touch of nostalgia, you've got an AM/FM cassette stereo, perfect for blasting your favorite tunes while enjoying every ounce of torque and power this car delivers. But this Coronet R/T isn't just about looks, it's about performance you can feel. The combination of a big block 440 engine, high performance intake and carburetor, dual exhaust, and carefully tuned suspension means every drive is an experience. From a slow roll through town to a full throttle blast down an open stretch of road, this car demands to be driven. Every gear change, every turn, every rev reminds you that this isn't a modern muscle car. This is raw, unfiltered American horsepower at its finest. And let's talk about value. Priced at $44,995, this isn't just a car, it's a piece of history. It's a meticulously preserved, fully equipped, and visually stunning example of Dodge's R/T legacy. Every detail, from the functional hood scoops to the Mag 500 wheels, screams authenticity. Every element, from the suspension to the drivetrain, ensures that it's not just a showpiece, but a car that can deliver a genuine driving experience that few modern cars can match. Owning a 1970 Dodge Coronet R/T 400 is more than just having a car. It's owning a symbol of an era when American muscle was king. It's about feeling the engine vibrate through your fingertips, hearing that deep exhaust growl, and knowing that every head turn on the street is because of something truly iconic. This is the car that brings the golden age of muscle cars to life. Loud, bold, and unapologetically powerful. So whether you're a collector, a weekend cruiser, or someone who just appreciates American automotive history, this Coronet R/T is a must-see. Every inch of it tells a story of performance, style, and the pure joy of driving a true classic. From the Go Mango Orange paint to the black racing stripes, from the 440 V8 to the Thrush dual exhaust, every detail is perfectly executed. This isn't just a car, it's an experience, an emotion, and a dream that comes to life behind the wheel. Thanks for joining me on this in-depth look at the 1970 Dodge Coronet R/T 440. If you love muscle cars, classics, or just incredible automotive craftsmanship, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and drop a comment below telling me what your dream Mopar would be. And as always, stay tuned for more epic car features, deep dives, and cinematic rides from some of the rarest and most exciting vehicles out there. Because in the world of muscle, this Dodge Coronet R/T isn't just driving history, it's making it.